Today I will teach you how you can install your Google Tag Manager's code to your Shopify website. So let's create the Google Tag Manager account. So that's a dummy Shopify and dummy Google Tag Manager account. So I would give the account name here. So country is India. So you just need to check this dialog box and paste your website, and you have to choose the targeted platform. So right now we are working on the website part. So web and create, need to turn on the dialog box and yes. So now our GTM is created. So to connect the website to the GTM, you just need to add this snippet to the head section and the body section. So either you can found this snippet from the under the admin section. So there are multiple ways. So but I prefer to choose the codes, choose the snippet under this section. So you just need to copy this code and paste it to the Shopify head section. So this is our Shopify website backend. You just need to go to the theme section and click on edit code. Then you have to found theme.liquid. Just click on that. So you have to found head section. So just paste this code here, and the second code will be pasted under the body section. So yeah, you can paste it here. So just save. To check the code is working properly or not, so there is an extension Google Tag Assistant Legacy. So let's see, is this working or not? Yeah, Google Tag Manager is fired. So then says Google Tag Manager is fired. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, share, and hit the bell icon. Thanks.